Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing with Vanguard Digital Advisor, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start investing with Vanguard Digital Advisor, begin by visiting the Vanguard website. Create an account by clicking the sign up button. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and contact details. Verify your identity by following the prompts to upload any necessary documents. Once your account is created, log in to your Vanguard account. Navigate to the Digital Advisor section within the platform. Review the introductory information about Vanguard Digital Advisor. Take note of the services offered, including personalized investment plans. Complete the risk assessment questionnaire to determine your investment preferences. Select your investment goals, such as retirement, education, or building wealth. Choose your time horizon for the investments you plan to make. Review the recommended investment plan based on your responses. Take a moment to understand the various investment options available. Confirm your acceptance of the proposed investment strategy. Link your bank account to facilitate funding your investment account. Decide how much money you want to invest initially. Place your investment order according to the guidelines provided. Monitor your portfolio regularly through the Vanguard dashboard. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on your financial goals. Stay informed about market trends and how they may affect your investments. Utilize educational resources on Vanguard's website for continuous learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.